Hey there, this is John with Tempered Networks, and today we're going over how you can leverage the IDN Fabric for better connectivity and security across your enterprise architecture. In parts 1 and 2 of this series, we covered how the IDN Fabric works and how simple it is to configure and manage your network through our scalable orchestration engine. Now it's time to put it all together with one of our many customer use cases. For this customer, they needed to reduce risk and increase network availability by securing and isolating their building management systems in over 500 buildings across multiple statewide campuses. They also needed to give remote access to employees and vendors to specific devices deep within the network while connecting between different cloud providers. The challenge was accomplishing this in under 6 months with a smaller team. They analyzed traditional approaches, including using firewalls, deploying network access control solutions, and manual options like MAC filtering and access control lists. However, the different solutions would be too expensive, take too long, and not meet the networking and security requirements. With IDN, they were able to securely connect all buildings on time and under budget. They deployed a mix of physical HIP switches at their buildings and remote sites, installed HIP clients on their employees' and contractors' laptops for remote access, and deployed virtual HIP switches for their AWS and Azure instances as well. They also deployed a number of HIP relays in the cloud for identity-based routing, which allowed them to connect privately addressed IP resources buried deep inside their network to other devices on separate Layer 2 and Layer 3 networks. With the flexible IDN Fabric, they now have a unified and centralized enterprise architecture that makes it simple to build instant overlay networks spanning separate environments, with little to no changes to underlying switching and routing infrastructure. Network access is now based on assured cryptographic identities that are tied to devices instead of short-lived IP addresses that are vulnerable and inflexible. This gives them the ability to easily connect all their systems with hardened microsegmentation, peer-to-peer encryption down to the individual devices, and superior availability and resiliency of their network. And things like revoking device access or failover between systems also becomes instant and simple. Taking a closer look at costs, according to our customer's system specialist, the alternative solutions would have taken them 2 to 3 years and required hiring new technical staff to deploy and manage. By leveraging a single solution instead of multiple point products and tools, this customer was able to achieve significant savings. The IDN solution was a quarter of the cost in terms of CapEx and OpEx, was deployed in just a few months by staff with no advanced IT skills, and didn't require hiring more people to manage the solution. Our customers are now able to bring their own networks that deliver secure and cost-effective connectivity for any device anywhere in the world. Using our unique capabilities, our customers are coming up with new use cases all the time. What problem can we solve for you? Give us 15 minutes for a demo, and we'll show you how to easily bring your own networks.